road. Okay. Driveway. Driveway. Okay. So this is okay. Okay. Guys, for sidewalk like this, do you think this is the proper way to capture a sidewalk? And it's not snap though. So make sure. So the errors here. Snap. The sidewalk will always connect to this building. So miss sidewalk. The driveway is good. I'm not sure if there is a driveway here, but best if this could have been cut already. Yeah, okay. Because it's ambiguous already. We don't know if this is grass or just, we don't know, guys. If they are connected, we also don't know. So it's better to just leave it because it's ambiguous. Driveway, railroad. Okay, big errors like this, you have to fix. Okay, who owns this task again? Okay, press Y to remove. Anyone from Ryu here, guys? Do you know this guy, John Patrick Abarasin? Railway. Okay, apply the rule for sidewalk overlap with driveway. Road. I don't think this is a road, guys. But anyway, it's in an industrial area, so it's a bit ambiguous. So we definitely don't know yet. And this one is not a driveway. This one. These are pipelines. So, pipes. This one is a clear driveway, so this is fine.
Ang naisip ko lang namin basa namin dyan, it's the airport. Ayun. Ayun. Oh, mancha. Pero pag mancha naman papapatunan, okay lang.
This is the whole railroad, guys. So don't leave a space.
Hindi pwede kapang lang.
Private ko po yan. Kasi kung pinatuwa ito ng ganito,
Yeah, this could be part of driveway. Sorry, nasa labas. Okay. So this one, ito itong part na to. Part of railway na rin to. Tandaan nyo guys, buong width ng railway yung kinakapture, hindi yung relays lang.
Kung pag pinasigaan niya, mamasigaan, mabagot biyahin. Balik ako. Ang tuloy kong mabili-bili. Yun, bakit na pag nawala na mga gano'n. Ay, kita yan.
Okay. Water, ignore.
Hindi pa masabi.
Kung ano, naman ang itutunan yung ano. Darang alam eh. Yung kanina kung gusto nyo. Kasi depende, mapapani ko. Kung gusto nila mo, sila magtrabaho, magpapagito, pwede naman. Pagdalan mo kayo, no? Para lang sila.
Okay, ito medyo urban, guys. It's a bit of an urban area. Okay, so this one, technically, it's a parking lot. So please don't capture them as part of the driveway.
Hindi na lang nasa taas para at least hindi yung pinababawa.
Vladimir here.
Pali, definition lang.
Oh, yun.
So guys, just
kung magkano, yung simple talaga. Unahin natin yung sa condo.
this part of the driveway.
Wala. Binigay lang yung materials.
Okay, guys. Driveway and also here.
Oo, teka lang ha.
Guys, the sidewalk should always, you can see the sidewalk, guys. Okay, they have to be always connected. It's Vladimir here. Anyone from Team FP or Team RBS? One is okay. All right. I'll send this back. So you see common errors, guys, like this. So avoid them, please. Okay, for this one, my suggestion, if you see your neighbor is just forest, just delete this road because I don't think this is a road. This was drawn. So just ignore it. I don't see a road here. And for this one, let's see. Okay, good.
Right.
Okay, so far, any questions? Any questions, guys? No need for attendance. If you're already working, that's good. Make sure that you also attend training sessions by your team leads. Let's check. Emmanuel Yunsay. No, I don't think that's a road, Emmanuel Yunsay. Guys, this is not a road. Okay?
Ayan, sweet book. YouTube.
Sir,
Oh,
may lumabas na doon sa report na click. Sir, pwede ako mag-share screen para makita
sige,
mo?
go.